Today we're showcasing all the Barbie as Rapunzel dolls from the movie era. The movie came out in 2002 and I'm going to go through each of the Rapunzel dolls that released. And first up is the original Barbie as Rapunzel doll. This released in 2002 alongside the movie. This was the core doll that people are super nostalgic about. She has attachable hair and she has a movie replica dress as well, and she has such an iconic gown. I love it so much. It's so nostalgic to see. This doll was featured in a lot of the books as well. If you remember, in the early 2000s they did recreations of the dolls in books, and these books are absolutely beautiful. They're photographed lovely and they're just really beautiful dolls. There was a second variant of the doll, and this was for diversity, and this is such a beautiful doll as well. She's very similar to the original. I would love to own one of these two dolls. They're so pretty. I have owned her before and I would like to put her in another dress from the movie. And next we have Prince Stefan, and he came in two variants, and I really like the colour palette of his clothes. I don't really care for Prince dolls, but I think it's obviously important to include him, and just the detail is just so insane. Like when you compare it to dolls now that release, they're just printed clothes, like everything's plastic clothes, horrible. But yeah, and he has rooted hair as well. Like they just don't do that anymore. It's crazy to see the drop in quality over time. And then slightly later, because the movie was doing so well, they then released the Princess Collection, and that was the Tea Party Rapunzel, following the success of the movie. And this came with a few accessories, and it is a really lovely doll. Next is the Fairy Tale Collection Rapunzel, and this came out in 2004, and she came with plush friends and story accessories, perfect for fans and collectors to recreate scenes from the movie. This one is definitely on the upper end of my favorites, just because she doesn't have that horrible like choppy hair that the original one has, because the original one had like retractable hair and stuff like that, so her hair could be short and long and stuff, but obviously that meant that she had different hair lengths, and I just don't like that on a Rapunzel doll. So this one would just have super long saran hair, which I would prefer on my dolls. And yeah, I really like her. I think she's really nice. Obviously this was probably more of a budget part of the collection, so maybe she was £15 or something when she came out, or even 10. She came out in 2004 or whenever it was. And then next is Rapunzel's wedding doll, and this released in 2004 to 2005. She got the wedding edition, complete with the elegant bridal gown, expanding on her story beyond the movie. I have owned this doll as well, and you know, I just prefer the original face screening. I wish that they kept that, but they didn't. And then next, slightly later, we got the Cut and Style dolls, and she has her hair is not retractable or changeable. She just has super long hair. I really like this one as well. She came in two variants, and she also came with a play set as well, which is really cute. I like all the play sets. They're way too big to own any of the play sets, but I like them. So now let's do a couple of play sets. The first one is the Enchanted Tower play set. It is really similar to the wedding one. I like this. I think it's cute. The color palette's really nice. And then the wedding one is like really similar, but I'll just include it anyway. And then also there's like a Rapunzel horse, which is so pretty. I love how long the hair is on the horse. It's so pretty. And then I think that's it. So there was also a mini doll that came out. So that was like Rapunzel's mini kingdom doll or something. So they released those two, and they're nice. I've owned them before. Very good quality items. And then also, this is just one more Rapunzel doll. So she released in 2010, I think it was, and that is the re-release for the DVD, I think. And then yeah, that's all the Rapunzel dolls. And then lastly we have all the Kellys, like all the little mini dolls. There is a lot of them. Also, there was the outfits. This was the second pack of outfits that released, and I really want to own the dresses. They're so nice. They're not too hard to find. It's just I don't want to spend £40 on them. I'm just not really interested. And then lastly, there is the Rapunzel Burger King toy that came out. I remember getting this when I was little, and I really liked this. I don't own it anymore, but yeah, this is one of my old videos. So cute. And yeah, I think that's all the collections, and it's a really good nostalgic era of dolls. Like the Rapunzel era is just so nostalgic for me. But yeah, and I've seen so many amazing customs, and it's just really inspired me to think about doing a custom in the future and just rerouting the hair completely and having her have super long saran hair, no retractable bits or anything, just gorgeous long hair. And then yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know what you thought about the video in the comments, and if you want me to go over Princess and the Pauper and the Nutcracker and the Swan Lake and all the other movies that came out, yeah, let me know. I really enjoyed doing this. I'm loving this whole Barbie like era. I'm not gonna own any. I have owned quite a lot previously. I don't really like the glitter on the clothes because it just like irritates me because it gets everywhere, but they are really, really pretty, and I really want to own the Annalise and the Polka Dot again, but I'll probably like customize their dress a bit just so it's not shedding glitter. But yeah, they're really pretty. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!